The task management tool in Yamdu allows you to create and keep track of all your tasks related to your project right within the system without the need for any external management tools. So let's start by creating a task and give it a title and a description. Now we can assign the task to a specific group or individuals or even ourselves. And if we want to add some more details, we can add a deadline, images or files related to the task, and even a link to a project section. Now, if we have assigned the task to ourselves or we happen to be part of a group that's been assigned to a task, that information will appear under the My Tasks section. And when we hover over the individual icons, we'll be able to see who that task has been assigned to, which in this case is production. Then, using the quick functions, we'll be able to mark the task as completed, duplicated, or even deleted. The top is the option to search for specific tasks, arrange them using the sort function, filter our tasks, and also show subtasks. When we want to select a specific task, we'll have the option of editing the general information section. So we can edit the title and description, add or remove the deadline, link or unlink our task to a specific section, and add subtasks, which we can assign to a completely different group or individuals altogether. And lastly, we can also add images and files and leave comments to those assigned to the task. We also have the option of marking the tasks to the dashboard, see who has viewed it, or delete the task. Now, as mentioned before, tasks assigned to you will show up in the My Tasks section. However, every task that we create, whether assigned to ourselves or to other individuals and groups, will show up under the My Created Tasks section. What's really great about Yamdu is that it allows us to add tasks to various elements in our project. So we can link a task to a specific element like a file or document, which we can do right in the element's My Created Tasks section. And this will actually show up in the task management area. Since we created the task, it'll show up right under the My Created Task section. When we select the task, we'll be able to see that it's been linked to an element, and selecting it will lead us directly to that element. We can actually add tasks to numerous elements. Another example would be creating a task for our breakdown by linking it to a scene. And we can do the same for design elements or costumes. One thing to note is that we'll be able to see all our tasks related to the project in the main dashboard. We can make further edits to the title of the task by simply clicking on the name. Selecting a task will allow us to view all its details. And once we finish the task, we can mark it as complete right from the dashboard. Then we can delete it using our quick function options. The project dashboard will show the tasks that we've been assigned to in relation to a specific project. This was a closer look at Yamdu's Task Manager. If you haven't already, check out our other tutorials on specific Yamdu features. We'll see you in the next one.